Hello everyone, and welcome back to the workshop. Sorry I missed you last week, I was in jury duty. Guess whose phone went off in court? Yeah, that's right. Guess whose ringtone is the shop beer song? Yep, that's right too. Last episode we did a lot of precision sanding. This week I realized we may have gotten a bit too hasty. So let's get on with it. As you know, there are strict rules on here, so that means I have to sum up this entire process like this. And now that that part is magically done, we can finally, for the first time, do this. And do you remember how it took me 19 years to do the inletting? Well, this is the reason why. Now we can finally get a look at just how tightly fit it really is. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. And this guy is gonna have an absolute field day with this. Yeah, again, sorry for missing you guys last week. I was busy upholding the law. But the good news is we did get the guy. I got the guy. Sentenced him to life in prison. Sounds pretty serious, Justin. He must have done something very egregious. Yes. Turns out, this bastard wasn't subscribed to the Patreon. He's watching all the videos, but not subscribing to the Patreon. Can you believe that? So soon as I heard this, I says, Your Honor, this man has committed a grave and mortal sin against humankind. He is paid off by YouTube to keep this channel down. And on the basis of these facts, I do declare this man, the defendant, is guilty. And the judge looked at me and he said, Wow, son, you're an even better lawyer than a gunsmith. You should have my job. To which I looked at him and said, No, I am neither a judge nor a judge's son. But if I was, then everyone would be subscribed to the Patreon for $5 a month, where they can see extra content and exclusive rifle builds. I'll see you all over there. Link in my video description. Thank you. And of course, anytime you change one part, like a ripple in a pond, other details will be affected, which is just foreshadowing for this entire video. The top of the wood needs to be dead flat, so I'm using a technique with my fingers where I apply heavy walking pressure in the middle at the high spot and then easing off as the file gets to the low points. I want to talk about this file. This is a Nicholson Vixen file. It is hands down my favorite file to use when woodworking. It removes a lot of material and does it quickly, but it's also gentle enough to use in more delicate areas. It leaves a nice smooth cut that is very quickly sanded out. And no, I'm not getting paid to say this, and this isn't a sponsorship. But if anyone at Nicholson or any other tool companies are watching this, send me an email. The following day, I came in and took a look, and it got me thinking. Because we lowered the comb nose, the cheek piece is now bunched up in the grip area, and it looks just too busy. Yep, now we have to cut it back. When shaping such a crucial part, it's imperative to judge it 9 ways from Sunday. That means in every light, shadow, angle, and perspective. And since this is a cheek piece, why wouldn't we be sure of how it feels on the cheek?
Ein Bier im Laden, ein kühler Traum. Zwischen Regalen, da find ich Raum. Die Flaschen glitzern wie Sternenlicht. Die Kasse piept, das Glück zerbricht nicht. Shop Beers, Prost, mein Freund. Ein Schluck, ein Lachen, wir sind vereint. Shop Beers, das Leben so fein. Mit einem Krug voll Glück im Sonnenschein. Der Kühlschrank summt, ein froher Ton. Ich greif zur Dose, das ist mein Lohn. Der Laden duftet nach Malz und Korn. Hier wird der Durst des Lebens geboren. Shop Beers, Prost, mein Freund. Ein Schluck, ein Lachen, wir sind vereint. Shop Beers, das Leben so fein. Mit einem Krug voll Glück im Sonnenschein.
A few people have reached out to me and informed me that YouTube has unsubscribed them from this channel. Has anyone else noticed this? If so, comment below. And make sure you hit the bell icon because I've heard of other people say that YouTube has automatically turned off notifications for them too. And speaking of YouTube, last week, YouTube reversed all of their strikes on this channel and reinstated all the videos that they took down. This is an absolute Christmas miracle. It shouldn't have happened to begin with, but we gotta give some credit where it's due.
Justin got sick and lost his voice halfway through editing this, so he had me do his voiceovers. I apologise for the short episode this week. I'm trying to be very cautious of what I show on here. Not because it ever breaks YouTube policy, but because YouTube moderation is still run by AI. So that means I have to be very careful. Otherwise, I would have shown that entire Headspace segment. This piece is starting to shape up very nicely, and we should be putting the first coats of oil next episode. The finished product is coming very soon. Thanks for watching, hit the like button, join the Patreon, have a good week. See you Tuesday.
Shop Beer, oh Shop Beer, wir